It can be hard to slow down your site visitors so they don't scroll past your best content. Horizontal scrolling changes things up, guiding people through your site in an entirely new way that feels immersive and compelling. I'm Loren from SquareKicker, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to add horizontal scrolling to your next Squarespace site. To create a horizontal scrolling track, you'll need at least 2 Squarespace sections. Start by selecting the section you want to appear first in the scroll sequence. Open the extension, head under Advanced, and select Horizontal Scrolling. Once you've enabled it, you will see that by default it includes the first 2 sections. Now in this case, I actually have 3 sections I want to include. So I just drag the slider, and there we go. I've got my 3 sections scrolling horizontally. Now by default, your sections will scroll from left to right as visitors move down the page. But if you want to reverse the direction, simply enable reverse. And now you'll see they're moving the opposite direction. This small change can completely alter the feel of your layout and works especially well when you want to create contrast between different sections of a site. Next, let's look at Fluid. When you enable Fluid, the first and the last sections smoothly flow in and out of the viewport, which creates a much softer and more natural transition into the horizontal scrolling experience. And when enabled, you also get to customize this background color, this white space here. Scroll down on the UI and just pick the color you like. I'm going to go for this yellow for now. Another option is Stack. Instead of sections sliding completely off screen as you scroll, Stack allows sections to build up and layer against the edge of the viewport. And this offers some very cool options, especially when used alongside section width, which I'll show you towards the end of the video. You can also control the speed of the horizontal scrolling effect. As I slow it down, you can see that I have to scroll a lot more for the content to move across, which creates an immersive storytelling experience that I really enjoy. Another really popular option is Fixed Background. When enabled, the background image from your first section becomes fixed across the entire horizontal scrolling track, while the content continues moving horizontally above it. Now let's look at device behavior. Horizontal scrolling has flexible options for smaller screen sizes, so your site looks great everywhere. Horizontal scrolling is automatically disabled on mobile by default because this type of interaction usually feels more natural on larger screen sizes. But you also have full control over this, and you can choose to either enable horizontal scrolling on tablet and on mobile. So if I go down to tablet here using the device toggle, you'll see that it's still enabled on tablet. Or you can select Disable, which means that it will switch back to natural vertical scrolling while still being maintained horizontally as I go up to laptop. Or you can also completely hide the whole track on tablet and mobile by selecting Hidden. You'll see as I go down to tablet, those sections are just hidden. And you could simply make some similar sections that are only visible on tablet and mobile that look great on these devices using the device toggle. One of the most exciting aspects of horizontal scrolling is combining it with other SquareKicker tools. As I mentioned earlier, section width can be adjusted, which looks really great when Stack is enabled. Instead of every section taking up the full screen width, you can create sections anywhere from 25% to 100% wide, and even set some custom widths. So, we're back to this section. Now I've enabled 4 sections to be in the horizontal scroll. I'm going to open the extension, and now go under Layout. And here I get to pick which section width I want. For this one, I'm going to select 75%. And you can see here that the second section is already appearing. Now if I move to this section, I'm going to make this one 50%. And then I looked earlier and thought that this one looks really good when it's at 2/3. Now let's have a look at what it creates. The sections are stacking on the left and creating this really cool look. And that's just with section width paired with Stack. So I hope you can have some fun with that. Now the last thing I want to show you is how horizontal scrolling can interact with scroll effects. Now on this section, which is using section width and also Stack, you can see I have added some scroll effects on the images. And now watch this. This second section that is coming on here, I am going to open the extension on it, go under background, color, custom, and make the background transparent. Select and apply. And now look at this really cool effect. The second section is layering on top of the first one, creating this really awesome look. Whether you're creating portfolio showcases or product presentations, the horizontal scrolling tool makes this incredibly easy with just a few clicks and no custom code. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with SquareKicker.